According to Drive Tesla, Tesla has launched new 30-day trials for its full self-driving supervised system in North America. The trials begin Wednesday evening and are available to both Canadian and U.S. owners. Eligible vehicles must have the latest 2024.44.3 software update installed. For cars equipped with HW3 AI3 hardware, the trial includes FSD version 12.5.4.2, while HW4 AI4 equipped vehicles receive FSD version 12.5.6.2, which features an end-to-end network for city and highway driving. The trial period ends 30 days after activation. For some owners, this means an expiration date of December 20, 2024. Tesla previously offered similar FSD trials in October, with some users receiving extensions. However, the anticipated release of FSD version 13 for HW4 AI4 vehicles has been delayed to late November. This marks an expansion of Tesla's trial program, which initially targeted new buyers earlier this year before including existing owners. You are listening to Yuan News.